Hello everyone. Today we will see different types of software about their introduction, features, application and purpose. First software is Revit. So Autodesk Revit architecture is a robust architectural design and documentation software application created by Autodesk for architects and building professionals. So this is a software which is developed by Autodesk for architects and for building professionals. So the purpose of this Autodesk Revit's architecture is to get help about the safety in structures, also obtaining the insight how buildings will perform before construction begins, and developing the better quality designs and improve the project delivery. This is also one of the purpose. In particular, benefits of Revits as in modeling, generating cost schedule, then calibration and change management. So the tools and the features that makes up Revit architecture are specifically designed to support the building information modeling, that is BIM workflow. Now next we will see about the features of Revit. So Autodesk Revit, it can be used to fast track for complex design and building construction. So this may be used to fast track for complex design and building construction. It is possible to make changes in one part of the model which is automatically propagated to other parts of model. Next, supporting a multidiscipline collaborative design analysis and process. Offering next feature of this Revit is offering many other tools and features which can enhance the productivity of architects and engineers. So intelligent model based process, here it is used to plan, design and construct and manage the infrastructure. So it is possible here to make plan, design, construct and manage infrastructure by using the intelligent model based process. It automatically updates the floor plans, levels, section and 3D views. So it makes possible the updating, and Revit includes the tools for architectural design, structural design, detailing and engineering and construction professionals. Now what are the applications of this software? So it supports a multidiscipline collaborative design process. Next, it is used to access the building information from the database of building models. Then various architectural elements can be suitably added to the building models. So it adds the architectural elements to the building models. So which elements such as walls, doors, windows and components. Next is improving the project outcome with multidisciplinary BIM software, that is building information modeling software. So applicable to improve the project outcomes with multidisciplinary BIM software. Then it has the capacity to produce the consistent, coordinated and complete model based building design and documentation. Next software is ETAB. So ETAB, it is one of the most innovative and revolutionary ETAB software techniques. So providing the ultimate integrated software package especially for design of building and structural analysis. So, the innovative and revolutionary ETAP is the ultimate integrated software package. So, it is for the structural analysis and the design of buildings. So, ETAP is a finite element analysis software and is used to model and analyze the structures, mainly buildings and their components, to see how a building behaves under the various loads, and it helps the user to understand quickly and easily. So, ETAP software becomes sophisticated and comprehensive design capabilities for a wide range of material and insightful graphics. So, it is an integrated package for structural analysis and the design of building. ETAP shows the behavior of the building under the various types of design load, and it, as we have discussed earlier, that it helps the user to understand quickly and easily. Then we will see what are the features. This software is used for modeling tools with templates, analysis methods and solution techniques. So, ETAP provides the plan and elevation views. It is the best modeling tool with template, analysis methods and solution techniques. So, this is it gives the user full control of the units. So, and with all the model data and displays the result in the units desired. So, software allowing an unlimited number of load cases and combinations. So, this is a software which is allowing an unlimited number of load cases and combination. It has the capacity to correct the CAD drawing directly into the ETAP model. So, CAD drawing can be converted directly into ETAP models or used as a templates onto which ETAP objects may be overlaid. So, it has the capacity to generate automatically and apply the seismic and the wind loads based on different national, domestic and international codes. So, multi-tower buildings also here it can be easily be modeled by using this new tower features in the ETAPs. Also ETAPs integrates every aspect of the engineering design process. So, the data can be viewed and edited using the on-screen tables, which is quite useful for defining the model from spreadsheets or viewing analysis or any design results. So, the software has a built-in library of standard concrete, steel and composite section properties. So, next we will see about the application of ETAP. So, easy conversion of CAD drawing directly into the ETAP model, this is one of the application. Then using of design of steel and concrete frames, composite beams, composite columns, steel joist, etc. Then it can perform the dynamic analysis, which includes the calculation of vibration mode. It performs the main role of an analysis and design based software, which can be much useful for structural engineer. So, we will again see about the application. ETAP is an analysis and design based software, so which is much useful for structural engineer. So, it is much useful for the structural engineer for the design and analysis. And CAD drawing it can be converted, it can be directly converted into a ETAP model. Then it is used for the design of steel and concrete frames, composite beams, composite columns, steel joist, etc. And ETAP is also used for the analysis of concrete shear walls and concrete moment frames, as it is not mentioned on this screen. So, the model may be this software is applicable it is applicable to pushover analysis features, including the hinge and the fiber hinge option based on the stress strain. Next is 3D Architect Home. So this architectural designer use 3D software, and they use it to create the models of buildings and other structures. Further, these models are used to test the safety and design potential of buildings. So it is useful software for architectural designer to create models of building and other allied structure, and such types of software is made for professionals and construction companies. So this software is home architect software made for professional and construction companies. It is powerful and extensive tool set for creating through 2D floor plans, elevation, section details, etc. What are the features for architect home? So saving time and money, it saves time and money, avoids the costly mistakes. It avoids the costly mistake, allowing 2D floor plans and can easily convert 2D to 3D models for better view. The tool allows you to create, this tool allows you to create the 2D floor plans, but you can easily convert them to 3D model for better view. It able to create the complex roof structure, split levels, unlimited floors and buildings. It can make access to video tutorials, step by step guides, in-depth documentation, email software support, forum, UK phone. So it has a landscaping tool for mark out plot, paths, ponds, etc., and for setting height levels. Next we will see about the applications. So 3D it is used for technical plans like electrical network, heating, plumbing installations, air conditioning, ventilations, etc. So this software is used for the technical plans of all these things. Then such softwares can easily used by self builders, architect, home improvers, property developers, interior designer, etc. So who can use this software easily? So that is mentioned over here. So it can be used to make garden design and landscape. It can be used to select and compare the various textures and materials such as bricks, pebbles, stones, tiles, murum. So different types of materials, you can compare the textures and you can select the different types of materials, bricks, pebbles, stones in this software. And in this software it uses for the self builders, architects, home improvers, architectural technologists, property developers, remodelers, interior designers, etc. So this all uses this software, and it is also used for to create the structure of your home such as foundation, walls, carpentry, roofing and more. So this software is basically used for this electrical networks, plumbing and all, ventilation, air conditioning, etc. And the design and the position your doors and windows according to your specification such as size, color, texture, location, direction of opening. For this also it is used, and it makes the garden designs and landscape easy, which includes the mark out of an area, and we can add plants and flowers and watch them grow with the help